Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beautyw.cat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. Y'all, when I tell y'all manifesting is real, it is real. I've always wanted to work with my first wig, and I am so grateful that they were able to send me this wig. So yeah, everything about this wig will be in my description box below, so you guys make sure you go check that out. One thing I did notice about this wig is that it is very full. You know how certain wigs will have hair in the front that's kind of thin and it kind of off balances the wig a little bit, if I said that right. But yes, this hair is full. The one thing I can say about this hair is the hairline needed to be plucked, in my opinion, if you wanted to have that real natural look. But because I am going for a 90s side swoop part style, I really didn't have to do a lot of plucking. The lace's color on camera is very ghostly and very white, but in person it is a very nice brown tint. I've been getting so used to customizing and putting on a lot of human hair wigs lately, but y'all, I am coming back with synthetic wigs, so please, my channel is not turning into a human hair wig channel. It's not, I promise y'all. I want to make sure we are giving the girls what they want, and I know y'all want to always make sure that y'all are looking y'all best while saving coins. So these human hair videos are super cool, but I will be getting back to my synthetic units very soon. So while I was putting on the actual wig, I low-key found out that all that stuff that I literally just did on that mannequin head, yeah, scrap that. Yeah. As soon as I put the wig on my head, thinking like, okay, I can just slap it on, boom, it's done. No, I had to repart my head. So y'all, to save y'all the trouble, just go ahead and just cut the lace off and then go ahead and just put the wig on your head and actually style it while it's on your head. Because yeah, I did literally all that for nothing. This little side swoop bang thing, I swear everybody make this look so easy, y'all. I was getting real frustrated with her. Couldn't tell on camera, but I was getting frustrated. But I see that using the wrapping foam and also using a wax stick to actually tame that hair down and to make it look real smooth and neat and sleek is the way to go. Oh yeah, and I know y'all can peep me watching Girlfriends in the back. I told y'all I love Girlfriends. What was y'all favorite character on Girlfriends? I'm sorry, I do not have a favorite character because every character embodies somebody that I could potentially relate to. So yes, yes, even Tony. And at this point, everything is self-explanatory. I ain't got to tell y'all or show y'all nothing else because y'all pros. I can step back. I already know y'all know what y'all doing. So let's get into the pros and cons because I know that's why y'all clicked on this video. So let's get straight into the pros. I love how this hair is so easy to put on. The texture is beautiful. I love how full this hair was. Also, I really love how easy it was to style. The only cons that I do have with this wig is that the hairline could have been plucked just a tad bit more. Just a smidge, just a little bit. Cause yeah, if you want to have that natural look, you want to make sure that that hairline is sitting, baby. Sitting. Overall, I really love this hair and I hope you guys go out and actually purchase it if you want to. I will have everything in my description box below detailing everything about this wig. So that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And like always, I appreciate y'all every single time. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.